everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
We will discuss where to set stop losses in Bitcoin or other altcoins. For example, if you set a stop here before, you made a big mistake. Because at the point where you are stopped out, others actually bought, and Bitcoin rose or similar spikes occur in other altcoins. That's why we advise you to stop when you get confirmation after 2 candle closes below the support level. So here, friends, this is the support level. As you can see, how did we determine the support? As you can see, peaks like this have been observed from previous highs, and the lower support here generally appears as this section of earlier peaks. This way, we can draw the support area. Right now, I am looking at the 4-hour chart. In 4-hour charts, we usually predict what could happen within 2 to 3 days. On hourly charts, we generally predict what might happen today or tomorrow during the day. In the 15-minute charts, we predict what could happen in the next 4 to 5 hours. We predict what could happen this week within a daily chart. In this way, we also predict what could happen this year in weekly charts. We generally look at 1-hour or 4-hour charts as well, because we make 1 to 2 trades a week. We don't place too many trades. If you're going to stop in this way, you need to look at the 4-hour or 1-hour charts. Now here, friends, for example, Bitcoin has come here. It is hovering around 47,500. Friends, we are not stopping here immediately. If we have placed an order, I will also mention where we will set the stop. Right now, I am talking about manual sales. That is, we will sell and exit the market by hand, and we will trigger a stop. We will switch to dollar. Here, if it closes 1 to 2 candles, meaning when one candle is red and another candle is also red, we need to trigger a stop. So this candle turned red. Here, another candle turned red as well. Let's even mark this one in red from here. We drew 2 red candles. And now, after seeing these 2 red candles, we are triggering a stop, friends. Let me explain this to you in this way. As you saw earlier, when a single candle forms here and immediately comes down, we do not trigger a stop. It shoots up, friends. So it takes a reaction. And then when it reaches the resistance, we trigger a stop. For example, here we also stop after 2 candles, close below, which means it will eventually drop to a lower support level. So if you sold in this area, you would have avoided an additional 10% loss. We showed you this earlier. For example, this is the support area. We see that it has closed 2 candles here. As you can see, it has closed 2 candles. For example, let's say you stopped right here. That is below the support level, around 50,500 and 53,000. Let's say you stopped at 50,500 here. The second candle has also closed. And here you have been stopped out. As you can see, you are avoiding an 8% loss. Now, friends, we fell, and we mistakenly got stopped out here. Where do we make our entry again? We execute the trade if there are 2 to 3 candle confirmations above the resistance. This time, Bitcoin or other coins will advance up to the next resistance level, which is around 59,500. If we close 2 candles above the support, we generally move to the next support level. Friends, look, we have reached this point. We closed 2 candles, and it is heading to the next support level on the 4-hour chart. For example, if we are below the support level and we close 2 candles here, we will move down to the next support. In our trading, we never make our purchases at the bottom, nor do we sell at the top. For example, we cannot sell here. We will watch. And when Bitcoin slightly breaks below the previous peaks, around 56,500 for instance, we will sell at these levels. We will have avoided approximately a 3.5% loss. We conduct our analyses based on the closest below or above the support and resistance levels. This way, because we trade calmly, we are able to successfully execute our manual stop losses, meaning the stops we sell manually. We will set a stop while sleeping at night, so we will throw a stop while we sleep at night. Where should we not throw it? As you can see here, for example, this is 52,750. 52,750 is a support area for us. Look at the previous peaks here. The previous peaks are here, here, and here. The previous peak is now acting as a resistance for us. We didn't set a stop manually, so we will place a limit order. We are sleeping at night. At night, friends, we say here that to sleep peacefully and comfortably with Bitcoin, leave a portion of 3% or 4% below this support area. This way, your stop won't get hit, so don't set your stop exactly at the support. Do not set a stop at 52,750. For example, set it at 52,500. If you stop at 52,500, you can buy at a lower support level around 47,000 when you wake up in the morning. You generally need to look at these limit stop levels on an hourly chart. For example, if I were in your position, I would note that the previous peaks in this area have been supported. I won't sleep here. No, tonight. Let's set a limit stop. Our exact support area is 57,000. Let's place the limit stop below 50,6,500. 50,6,500 will be a trigger for us. 56,000. and 52 are our strong support areas. I would place a limit order just below 57,050, around 56,005, under the 100 mark. So 56,500 will be a trigger for us. For 56,000, I would also set my stop at the hundreds. Let it sell up to here. Then it will pull back down. We will make our purchase around 52,500. Stop orders often get triggered unexpectedly, friends. Let's set our limit stops while we sleep at night. If we are at the screen during the day or checking normally, we should manually set our stops. Stop limits are very important in Bitcoin or altcoins. We experienced this together before. Here, we said that we would definitely stop around 59,500. Look here. Again, we have 3 candles below 59,500 on the 1-hour chart. I usually expect 3 candles on the 1-hour chart. Look, 3 candles have appeared. On the 4-hour chart, I generally expect 2 candles. In this way, I would stop after 2 candles on the 4-hour chart. Look here. Again, 2 red candles have closed below 60,000 as you can see. Let's say we should stop after the 2 candles. We couldn't stop. What should we do? It went down, like this. Don't sell here. Don't panic. It will definitely bounce back. Look, it has bounced. Buy here. So, this is the general decline. There was an 11% drop, and it retraced from the bottom upwards. I even expect a 14-15% change. I can wait for a few hours. As you can see here, after waiting for 8 hours, there was a 10% increase, and I would exit from here with a 5% loss. I monitor the market. I observe what is happening in the market. After that, we did the same. We stopped here. We looked. We said that for those of you who couldn't stop, we would take a little profit from here. We said to stop here. That's why stop limits are important, friends. Stop limits can really save your life. They prevent a significant portion of your money from evaporating. So definitely use stop orders, friends. Thank you all. See you soon.